How to draw an elephant. I'm going to start with two eyes, just two circles. And then the pupil. And then a little circle for the highlight, and then color in the eye. And then we're going to start right under the eye over here for the nose, or for the trunk. And it's a curve up. It's just like a backwards J. And then the same, we're going to do a C. We're going to draw a C from the left, and then up. And then a curvy line down, and then a curve up. And then we're going to put a little dark spot for the end of the trunk. And then right under the nose, under the trunk here for the mouth, you put a little U up, kind of sideways. And then for the chin, a little bit up underneath again, like that. And then a little loop for the end of the mouth. And then we'll start at the top for the head. And we'll come down. And then on the other side, same thing. So now you have an upside down U, and then I like to do some cheeks, so you curve it out a little bit into the trunk, and the same thing on this side, you curve it out and right underneath the mouth so that it lines up. And then you put an eyebrow and another eyebrow and some eyelashes if you like eyelashes. And then the ear is a big curvy line, like a big C with a curve in the middle. And the same for the right. A big curve, a big backward C with a curve. And then the inner part of the ear. Elephant's body is as high as his head. So we'll start with his body right here, and it's going to be just a little bit of a curve to the right and then down. Everything is kind of rounded. And then for the leg, it's just a line down and then across. And then I like to draw the other leg. And it's the same thing. Right up here is his body, and then his leg comes down here and then across. And then this way you can connect the bottom of his body where his belly is, and then that gives you the idea of where the next leg should be. So the next leg is over here then, and you cross it over, and the same thing for the side. And then you can draw a little tail and a little bit of a fluff on the end, a couple lines. And then his toenails. And then a curve and a curve and a curve. And then a curve for his other toenail. We'll draw some dirt on the ground so he doesn't look like he's floating. Or she. And now it's time to color him in. So I think we'll start with the pink for the ears. Red for the mouth. Some brown toenails. And then gray for the whole body. If there's any other animals or drawings you would like to see, just leave it in the comments and I'll try to get to whatever the next request is. Keeping your coloring strokes all in the same direction makes it look a lot neater. Rather than going back and forth, that would make it look a little messy. So it's better to go in the same direction when you're coloring. And now a little bit of brown for the end of the tail and for the ground. There we have a really cute elephant.